you know you need a blog. But every time you sit down to write your first blog post, it's like you're stuck. You can't think of anything and you have no idea where to even begin. It leaves you wanting to pull your hair out and just quit altogether. Never fear. Today we're going to talk about 4 places to get your next blog post idea, and make sure you stick around till the last one because it offers you so much more than just blog post ideas. Writing blogs can seem so daunting, especially when you feel like you're constantly stuck and don't even know where to start. So let's talk about a few places. The first thing is, I want you to grab a pencil and paper, and I want you to just jot down every single question that anyone has ever asked you about what you do. Pause this video and just start writing. Okay, maybe don't pause the video, maybe do this afterwards. But once you have that list created, I want you to look at it. Every single one of those questions is a potential blog post idea. Now, the second place I want you to go, I want you to take that exact same list of questions and I want you to go to Google and I want you to type those questions into Google. Then I want you to scroll down to the section where it says people also ask. Google has just generated another entire list of blog post ideas for you based off of those first questions. The third place I want you to go, I want you to go to Answer the Public. And I want you to type in a couple of keywords around those ideas. So if a question someone asked you was, how do I find a piano teacher for my daughter? Go to Answer the Public and type in piano teachers. It will then spit out an entire wheel of potential blog post topics around the keyword piano teachers. And then you can start creating content around that. Maybe you teach online voice lessons. Go to Answer the Public and type in online voice lessons. It will generate a wheel of possible blog posts that you could then write about to start ranking on Google so people can start finding you. Now, the fourth place to go, and this is my favorite, Ubersuggest. Now, the first 3 were free. This one is not free, but it's not expensive. And as of right now, there's a 7-day free trial that you can use to start out. Go to Ubersuggest, not sponsored, and sign up for a free trial account. And then you can go in there and do keyword research to find blog post ideas. Ubersuggest will also recommend possible blog topics that you can write that it has a good idea that you're going to be able to rank for. And the pricing as of right now is completely affordable. I highly recommend it. And those are 4 great places to start. A notepad and pencil, every question anyone has ever asked you. Go to Google, look at the Other People Ask section to come up with ideas there as well. Go to Answer the Public, you can get more ideas. And fourth, go to Ubersuggest. So I want you to start getting out there and creating that list of blog topics. And if blogging is something you really want to take seriously, I have a membership, Creative SEO, that's all for bloggers and helping you get your blog found on Google. I'll link it down below in the comments. Until next time, peace out.